Hello my friends, I'm Lena Bik, a hairstylist and a hair trainer, and today I want to tell you about my online lessons in English language for my dear foreign friends. I got a lot of requests about hair lessons in English language, so my students can learn online, can study online. It's a special website, Patreon. You can join, you can take a look there, and it also has an application, so you can download it on your phone and watch and learn easily. The link is under this video, so don't forget to click and to learn the information how to join. And now I will show you how to do this. It's easy, really. Take a look. You just go to this website, patreon.com, LENA BIK hair. You find me, and here I want to show you some of my recent videos. Hello my dear VIP patrons, today I got a new parcel and let's make unboxing. The first one is Iron Co. This is a spray for preparation of the hair. So let's make an example. In the makeup, you can't apply the foundation, right? Firstly, you need to apply the primer to the skin, then some cream, and then just foundation. This is actually the same, but for the hair. Hello my friends on Patreon. Lately I've been doing a wet hair look, and today I want to share secret tips with you. The most common mistake when you want to make wet hair look, a lot of hairstylists, they are just put something, some gel or cream and just apply for the hair, but that is mistake because Hello dear friends, today I will show you unboxing or review of my donuts. I ordered 3 different donuts. This is 9, 13.5 and 14.5 centimeters. I want to show you how I usually use the donut in my hairstyles. Let's start from the smallest one. I don't use it like this. I open. Hello my friends, today I want to show you how to make sleek high ponytail with hair extensions. I have this ponytail, it's folks ponytail, not natural, but I want to show you how can we this hair look adorable because they were in a bad consistency. Very splitted ends and curl ends, and now it's like Kim Kardashian's hair. And here I have 3 different options to subscribe, to follow. So the most popular are Major and VIP. What is the difference? Major is just $20 per month. It's really cheap. So I upload approximately 2-3 video lessons of the hairstyles, of course, in English language or with English subtitles. Also, I have different topics about Instagram, how to make your beautiful portfolio, the things that you need to pay attention to have really nice and neat hairstyles, and how you need to do the photos, the videos to attract new clients to yourself. The second option is VIP, so you got all the information from the first level, from the major, but here you have my purchases, my unboxing hair products, what I found out, something new. For example, I visited masterclass, I find out some new tricks, new products, and I show everything for my VIP patrons. In the VIP, you can send me your works, your videos, and I will help you. I will give you the pointers and the advice how to make it. For example, what things you need to pay attention next time to make it more beautiful. The gut layer, so it's 100 per month. You can schedule a 1-hour private mentoring session with me. We can do it on Zoom, Skype, or WhatsApp and chat about everything that you prefer, like struggling with the hair, something psychological like fear in front of the client, or just talking about styling sprays. So it's really like private mentoring with me and you, and I will give you everything that I know. And moreover, you can send me your works, your videos anytime that you need me. Really, sometimes you have, for example, important client and you're struggling and you don't know how to prep their hair or what hairstyle you should do for this type of hair. You can text me, we can chat, we can talk, and after this you will be confident. So that's pretty easy. Once that you subscribe, you can watch all the lessons. There are more than 30 lessons, and if you don't like something, you can just unsubscribe anytime. I think that's a great opportunity to learn from me online, and I can't wait to meet you there on Patreon. Link is under this video. See you there.